Okay. Okay, apparently we're saying a prayer first. Yes, we're filming right now. So, everybody, I'm going to introduce, this is, and this is,
Charlotte.
and so what we decided we would do today is take a look at this Yellow Scope science kit that we just received.
And I'm going to open it first.
And you're going to open it first, and we haven't even seen what's in here yet. But this is the acids, bases, and pH chemistry
what's
kit.
in here?
You do know what's in here?
Then look at the back.
Well, why don't we just look inside of it and we can show people what's inside?
Okay.
What do you think? Okay, so Leah, do you want to open it? All right.
So this is.
So basically, there you go. With minus that book, this is what you get inside.
Yes.
We'll go through each of these. Hold on,
Oh.
just 1 second, Charlotte. So what is the first thing you've got there, Lee?
It could base in.
And yeah, basically. So this, it looks like our notebook, right?
Yes.
So inside each notebook, it looks like we're going to get to do different science experiments.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, there we go. We have a lab 1 and lab 2 and lab 3. Lab 1, colorful cabbage. Lab 2, be a maker. Lab 3, color flip-flop. So we'll get to go through all of that. So there we go. There's our lab book.
I'll put next.
And what do you think that is? Do you think we can suck up some liquids with that?
Yeah, we can suck up some liquid with it.
Okay. You want to show that?
I want to take something out.
Okay, what are you going to take out, Charlotte? You want to take this out? Oh, it looks like you got some little cups.
But they look like medicine things.
They do look like medicine things, and they have some measurement marks on them, right? So they must be to help us measure some of the liquids that we get.
Drinks, but they aren't, and they're a special thing that's with a science experiment.
In this very little thing, it says red cabbage powder. So we have 2 of these things with just little droplets of red cabbage powder, it says.
You got them?
Oh, and we've dropped something, of course. What else do we have here?
So we have a pencil, so we can write what we did.
And do you think this is stuff that we put little bits of maybe like powder or
Yeah,
liquids
I
in?
have these glasses.
Oh my gosh, Charlie, you need to tell us what those are.
These are glasses that help us.
Do you want me to open them for you?
Open them.
So they're glasses that help us experiment. Holy coly, and Leah just found something else in there too.
And I found another thing.
Oh, maybe like filters. And it looks like,
So here's the.
Good job.
I found a pin.
yeah.
So one of us are gonna. I'm just gonna do something kind of experiment. I'm just gonna do something that's pretend, okay?
Okay, so we're just going to do one pretend experiment here. So basically, you've seen what is in this one. You can definitely check out their website,
Okay. I did something experiment.
yellow-scope.com. They do have other kits as well. We've played with the other science kits that they have as well, haven't we?
Yeah, well, we have another one, but we just don't know where it is, but that's okay.
That is okay.
These glasses. So this is what, if you have short hair and you have these strands and these have. Yeah, that's not really true.
So that is what you will look like, okay? And there you go. That is the science kit. Is there anything else you'd like to say about science before we sign off?
And this that we love our cheddar.
That we love science.
And this is our cheddar. No, this is red cabbage powder.
Okay, so can people say goodbye?
Goodbye.
See ya!
See ya. Luck.